Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming your VLC supports skins and grabbing a VLT file. Mac OS is excluded. Once done, open VLC and go straight to Tools, Preferences, then Interface. Now enable Use Custom Skin and click Choose. This is the first actionable step. Point VLC to the VLT file you downloaded. Don't close VLC yet. You're starting the substitution immediately so you can see changes after the restart. Make sure the file is unzipped and accessible in a standard folder. You now perform the middle, slightly technical steps. Move the VLT into a stable location like your VLC skins folder or another readable directory and extract it if it came zipped. Make sure file permissions allow VLC to read it. Next, in Preferences under Interface, choose to select that VLT file, press Save, and then fully quit VLC. Restarting applies the skin. If you want toolbar tweaks, open View or right-click the Chrome after restart and adjust sizes or layout. Finish by restarting VLC to load the new skin and then adjust the interface. Use the View menu or right-click the player Chrome to change layout and control visibility. If you prefer the native look later, go back to Preferences, uncheck Use Custom Skin, save, and restart. If the skin won't load, make sure the VLT matches your VLC version and is readable. Reset VLC preferences or delete the VLCRC file to clear conflicts. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves stubborn loading issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.